I played when I was younger. I did some summer camps at 5. A friend asked me to play in the member guest at Elite.
I started playing tennis and kind of just dabble a little bit.
Once we were married, I would start to make him come hit with me.
And then I finally just said, all right, I'm either gonna play or not play. So then I started taking lessons with curling, and the competitive nature makes you want to get better, to strive to be better. It's kind of like a family there. You go and you see your friends.
When the younger ones were pretty little, they had taught them the basics, taught them stuff throughout the summer camps and then the fall programming. I didn't want them just playing on their iPads and Xbox all summer long, and they had kind of a beginner's camp, and I put all 3 of them in it. There's something for each level of the child. There's stuff for the level of the adults.
I've made a lot of good friends from playing tennis. You have to be really engaged into it. It's super intense.
It fits our needs because there's something for everyone in the family. It brings us together because it's something we can all do together. It's a sport that every one of us can do and enjoys doing.